Hello guys, welcome back to Architectural World. In today's class, we're going to be learning how to create this 3D modeling from the scratch. The detailing, the floor plan, and the rendering part of it is basically a subscriber's request. So this is what we're going to be learning today. How to model this amazing 5-bedroom duplex. You see, this is the front view. Let me zoom it a little so you're going to see it. This is the front view. You can see it very well. There's the front view. Then this is a left side and the front view. You can see. Let me make a zoom too. So this is what we're going to be learning today. In case you have not subscribed to our channel, please kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out our class. Then let me show you the floor plan. You can easily save it up. You can save the floor plan up because it's a floor plan you're going to be using in creating the designs, except you want to follow the process the way I'm doing it. So this is the floor plan. You can see very well. We have the entrance, we have the anteroom, visitor toilet, the main lodge, the dining, the kitchen, the balcony, kitchen store, the staircase area, the laundry. This is the lobby, sorry. Then this is the maid room, toilet, guest room. A situation like this, you can easily create a staircase on this main lodge. That's if the client wants double staircase. So in case the staircase is needed, you can easily create it here. There is a volume for it. So that's not what we're going to be doing today. Today we're going to be learning how to create it, like I said, and how to model it exactly like this without anything going off. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So what we're using today for this class, for this tutorial, is Aki 218 because we're using Atlantis Studio 5 to render it. So we're going to use Aki 218. You can see it very well. So the first thing you do, you launch your Aki card, you create a new project. Okay, you come to use a template. You already have all these stuffs in your installed because you've been working with your software. So the last profile I use is already on my settings, so I really don't need to change this. I'll just click new, then I'll wait for it to run. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to drop your comments on anything you want us to do. Just drop it on the comment section, we'll get it done. So then you wait for your page to load. Okay, this part, this is the new page. This is a new page. We're doing a complete 3D rendering, and you need to set it because everything is working on a command. You can observe very well from our 3D. We have the ground floor, then we have the first floor. This is the damp-proof course, being the DPC level. Then this is the ground floor. Then this is the first floor. So what we need to do, we need to set the command of this damp-proof course. Then we set the command of this ground floor, then we set the command of the first floor. So let's see how we can do that. So on this page, you come to your right hand side, you right click this part, you go to story settings, you change this to 1350, depend on the height you want. I want the ground floor height to be like that. That's the damp proof. Let me change it to DPC level. DPC. Okay, I want the DPC height to be 1.350 meter. Then I want the height of the main building to be like 1.2 meter. Then I'll come down to this part again, I'll make here 1.2 meter. Then I'll label here ground floor. Okay, ground floor. Then I'll come down to this spot, I'll put here for first floor. Then other designers always increase the slab, the roof stuffs, but me, I just summarize it with these three groups, like DPC, ground floor, and first floor. That's how I normally do it. If I'm designing a bungalow, I'll just edit the DPC, then edit the ground floor, and I'm good with it. So if you've done this, you just click your OK. Your height is ready to work. The next thing you go to, you come down to your design tools, you pick your wall, you come down to your wall settings. Then you go down to the geometry and positioning, you change this to DPC level. Then you turn this on, you change this block wall to 225 millimeter depending on the block size you have in your country. So I'm going to be using the 225 millimeter block size on all the ground floor. So I come down to my modeling, This part is the part where you choose the textures of the job. Let me go to the 3D so you understand. The modeling part you're seeing is where you can pick all these features like the colors, the ties, the breaks, whatever you want, how you want that place to be like. You can see very well. That's where you edit it from. Let's see. Now I'll turn this on, then I'll turn this on and turn this on. This outside face surface, it simply means the side you're going to be seeing. Then this is the edge. This is the edge. There are some design whereby the edge being this angle, you don't want it to have same modeling with the main wall. So you can edit this edge to blend with the existing one that you want. Taking for example, let me see if I have a better side view. Okay, taking for example, you can see this dark gray here and this white here. So if you observe this gray extended to this place, this is the edge of this wall because I want it to print out. So there are some situations whereby you don't need this edge. All you just need to do is make sure that everything is on this. So we don't need any color in here. All we need to do is link all up, then choose the color we want. I'll go for earth brown. I prefer using earth brown. I'll click OK. Then I'll come down to the spot. I'll take the first wall. Sorry, I have to come down to the PC. I'll take the first wall. Then I'll take the second wall. Okay, so I'm okay with this. I'm just gonna copy this and paste it on wherever I want. Okay, so the first thing, let's check our modeling. The first thing we need, I'm going to work it from the right going to the left side. So the first thing we need to do is create out this maid room, the main toilet, the guest room, and the guest toilet. That's 4 meter, then 3.61, then 1.3 meter, 1.3 meter, and then 3.6. Okay, let's see. There's a 4 meter. So I'll duplicate this wall. Then add my block line 4 plus 225 millimeter. Then I'll take this wall down. I'll bring it here. I'll put my, let's say, 3, 6 plus 8. That's 825. My block wall is added to it. Then I'll bring this down again. I'll take 1525. I'll repeat the same process here because both toilets are equal. 1525. Then I'll bring the room 3825. Okay, I think I'm good with it. Cut this off. If you want to cut, you just place your hand on your control key, then the scissor sign is going to appear, then you trim it off. So this bit done, I'll come down to the spot. Let's pick the next one. So what's the next? We've done this. Let's get this 1 meter. We have a 1 meter at the front, so let's place 1 meter here. That's 1225. Always remember to add your block wall. So I'll take this off. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be placing right now, let me see, is should I work the anteroom first? Okay, let's take away the anteroom. We'll take away this anteroom because it's running straight with the staircase room. So we have the anteroom, the lobby, and the staircase room. Then we have this back on it. This lobby extended to the 2 rooms. So let's take that off. That's 2.4 meter. You can decide to add your block wall, or you can decide to use the shorter method line. I only see this line 2 as stress. 2 as stress. Let's say 2, 4. Because you have to place, then we delete something like this. I only see it as stress. So that's why I always have my block wall to make it easier. So if you can't add the figure quietly, it's best to just use calculator when creating this part. So I've got this. I'll come down to the spot and create a wall here of 1 meter. Let's say 1.2 meter. That's 1425, including my block wall. I'll take this off. I'll delete this. I'll take this off. I'll delete this. Okay, sorry, I can't delete that because that's for the visitor toilet. So I'll take this off. You can see, and I have my first maid room, the toilet, the guest room, and the toilet. So let's see what we have here. What's next? Okay, 3.3 meter. We have 3.3 meter. Then the left is going to tally with the lobby and the staircase. So let's take away the 3.3 meter. So I'll bring this off. I'll delete this first. Then I'll go for 3.3 meter. Let's say 3525. Okay, I'll bring this off. I'll delete this. Then I'll bring this off. I'll delete this. Okay, so let's check something here. 3.3 meter. Then there is a shortage somewhere. Okay, so I'll delete this. So I'll take this off. So automatically this is the staircase region, this is the lobby, then this is the anteroom. Now let's assume this is the anteroom, then this is the lobby, this is the maid room, the guest room, and there's the guest toilet, there's the maid room, and there's the maid's toilet, then there's the staircase area. So the next place we're going to be picking right now is the main lodge. I think we should pick the stall, the kitchen, then the balcony having same wall with the dining. So the stall is 1.2 meter, then the kitchen is 3.71. Let's say 1.2 meter. We'll pick this off. We add our block wall 1425. Then here there is a whole number to read. So if you don't want to add it up, you just pick your line 2, 3711. You bring it here. Okay, we have a bend there. Make sure it's on a straight line. 3711. Make sure before you release it's on a straight line. So we bring this here. Then I copied this wall to the spot. Okay, copy this to the spot. I take this off. I don't need it anymore. So what do we have in the dining? Let's check. 3.3 meter. 3.3 meter. I'll bring this here. I'll copy. I'll drag 3525. By the time you add a block wall and you release, you have exactly what you want, like this. You can see 3.3 meter. So this being done, the next thing I'm going to do, let me see. Okay, the next thing is to take away this wall. I have an offset of 599. This is supposed to be 600 millimeter. Let's do this 600 millimeter offset. It's like a back design. Let's say 600 millimeter. Okay, so I'll take this off, I'll take this off, 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 this off, this off, this off. Then I'll take this off. Sorry, I'll take this off. Then I'll take this off, I'll take this off. So when I have that design there, now the next thing I'm looking for right now, this is already a parallel, so it's 1.5 meter. This balcony, I'll take 1.5 meter from the balcony, then I'll take 4122 for the dining. So let's do this. Let's go for 1.4 meter, 1.5 meter. That's a 1625. Okay, I'll take this off, take this off. So I'll use my line to create this. I'll use my line to create 4 2. Let me see what I got there. 4 2 what? 4122. Okay, sorry for that. We have 4122. I'll turn this. I'll create a drawing here. I'll bring it here so I can be able to delete through this part, because by the time I duplicate a wall on this angle, I won't be able to see the line I added to that spot. So that's why I always create an extension for it. So I'll bring this here. I'll drag this to fit in here. Then I'll take this off. Okay, then I'll bring this down. I'll bring this down. I'll bring this down. I'll bring this down. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be looking for, I'll take this off because I don't need it. The next thing I'm looking for right now is the main lodge. Okay, from this wall to this wall has already printed itself, and from this wall to this wall I've done the same thing. So what I just need right now is 6900. Okay, let's say 6900. I'll take this off. Take this off. Then I'll look for 6900 from this wall. From this wall to this wall, that's 6900. Okay, that's the final wall there. 6900. So I'll bring this wall down to this spot. I'll copy. You can take a wall from anywhere to get what you want. Okay, so I'll delete this wall, then I'll take this wall off and take this wall off. I'll take this wall off. Okay, the reason, if you observe very well, by the time I delete, it's going wide is because this particular wall is not touching it, it's not connected. So make sure when you're placing your walls, they are all connected. So I'll take this off because I don't need it anymore. Then I'll come down. Let me see what I need. I have 5137. Let's take it up. 5137. Okay, 5137, somewhere from this spot. 5137. Okay, I'll bring it here to 1 meter. I have a 1 meter design here. Sorry. Okay, so I'll bring it here. I'll click OK. So now what I need right now, I've set this backward to this, duplicate. Then I'll bring this wall. I'll copy this wall to this spot to blend it. Okay, so I'll take all the spots off. I'll take it all off. Then I'll delete the guide. Okay, so you can see now we need a door here, a door wall here of let's say 1.2 meter. That's 1425. That's 1425. Okay, you need this. This is the door from the staircase to go through. We don't need a wall here because this is the staircase. Okay, so the next thing we need right now, let's take this off, is the entrance. Let's see what we got here. What's the entrance? We have the entrance of 2.380 by, let's say, 3997. Let's just do it 2.380 by 4 meter. Let's go 2.380 height. So I'll bring this, I'll take my line 2 because I don't want to use my calculator to do plus up. 2380. I'll drag it to the spot, and I'll make this place 4 meter, preferably 4 meter. Okay, so I'll fill it up. I'll copy this to, copy. I'll drag here. I'll copy this to, I'll drag here, and I'll extend this wall off. Okay, I'll delete this. Yep, so you can see very well that my floor plan is ready. My floor plan is ready. Let me take it to 3D. My floor plan is ready. You can see. Yep, it's perfectly ready. You can see very well. It's ready. There's the entrance, there's the ante room, there's the main lodge, the lobby, the guest room. Then we have the maid room, we have the staircase, the kitchen, the store, the balcony, the dining, then this parlor. Let's take away this wall. Okay, now you can see we have it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So the next thing we're going to do is save our project. So I'm going to save my project. I'll save it on desktop, then I'll save it with class. So you just save your project, click enter. Okay, I already have something like that. I'll just replace it. So